This clean driveway with garden lights lined with maple trees leads into a masterpiece of luxury country living spanning 11 hectares. This beautiful house is a designer rural living with a heated pool, a wine cellar, and a guest retreat. This is an amazing rural home built out of shipping containers, complete with privacy and panoramic views overlooking the pond and the lush green landscapes. On this floor plan, you will see two levels of the house, the ground floor and the first floor levels. It comes with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and lots of outdoor terrace living spaces. There's also a wine cellar and a 2-car garage. There's a view of some of the cantilevered spaces in the house with a beautiful view of the pond from the house overlooking these lush green landscapes. That's a view of the outdoor terrace, ideal for outdoor living. Beautiful indoor spaces fitted with big glass windows that creates a seamless indoor-outdoor living experience. There's a view of one of the living rooms showing you how elegant and crisp the indoor space is. There is a fireplace to keep the house warm during chillier months. There's a view of the kitchen and the lounge areas. I like the waterfall island, ideal for the breakfast counter. Nice pendant lights above the center island and clean, crisp white cabinetry to make the space look modern and elegant. That's a view of the dining area, big enough to sit 8 or more, depending on your configuration. This big glass window opens wide to usher in the outdoors, creating a nice indoor-outdoor living experience. There's a view of the artwork on the wall in the dining area to bring in a bit of contrast to the white-dominated backdrop. There's a view of the staircase connecting the various levels of the house. Beautiful setup for modern living. The view of the lounge area on the lower level of the house leading to the pool deck. There's a view of one of the bedrooms. I like this feature wall, the nice deep bold color for contrast. Look at that bathroom. Taking a bath next to that big corner window overlooking the pool and the pond beyond is breathtaking. It's a view of the bathroom still with those unrestricted views. A view of another bedroom. You will notice the use of big glass windows to create a well-lit indoor living space. A view of another bathroom in the house. I like the fully tiled bathroom walls and the crisp white counters. A view of that bedroom. You will appreciate still the use of big glass windows. That's the exterior view of the house, well tucked into its pristine landscape with the beautiful glulam tree backdrop climbers, and the dark painted exterior which matches the house nicely with its landscape. Beautiful outdoor living spaces, ideal for lounging during good weather. There's a view of the car garage. There's a big water tank to store water on site, solar panels on the roof, nice wine cellar inside one of the shipping containers. The interior space is lined with plywood for indoor thermal comfort. That is the view of the house from the poolside, an amazing view showing what is possible when ingenuity and creativity is used to create magnificent masterpieces using shipping containers. That's the general view of the property. We have a pond here and the house at an elevated position, as you can see. Beautiful greenery in the background, creating a serene setting where you can call home. That is the aerial view of the property. Well landscaped gardens, nice driveways, and sustainable way of living with on-site power generation, and also well manicured lawns to attract anyone who would want to live in this retreat. So, what do you think about this amazing house? Would you live in this shipping container home? Let us know what you think by posting in the comment section below. This beautiful house is on the market for 2.4 to 2.5 million Australian dollars. Feel free to check it out using the links in the description below. If you want to build your own container home and you have no idea where to begin from, worry not. We have done the heavy lifting for you. We've put together one of the best shipping container homes building guide on the market. This amazing book is well structured, using 14 detailed chapters covering everything from understanding shipping containers to insulation to understanding condensation, all the way to interior and exterior finishes. The book is well written using relevant illustrations and diagrams explaining each step in great detail. And it also gives you for free one of the best floor plans by Shelter Mode. In addition, it covers a real case study of a shipping container getaway in the Caribbean islands. If you don't like detailed technical building guides, we have put together over 300 questions of the most FAQs about shipping container homes, such as how much does it cost to build a container house? Do I need permits to build my container home? These and many more 300 plus questions have been exhaustively answered. If you need further inspiration, we have put together over 150 custom designed floor plans of shipping container homes with various configurations from 1 bedroom to 5 bedrooms, multi-story to single story, and modern design. A manual for converting a shipping container into a swimming pool, a complete container home toolkit and equipment handbook for all the essential tools, equipment and materials you need to put up a container home. We also have essential templates, checklists, work lists and other additional resources you can explore using the links provided. If you have any question, send us an email through info@sheltermode.com. Thank you for watching.